Hey there, Internet. My name is Anti, and today we are going to be working on the S13 again. My main objective today is to replace the stereo and both door speakers since them bitches ain't working. Also, the car's been making some weird timing chain noises. I don't know. So I'm going to dig in and figure out what those are, see if I can't fix those. First things first though, we have to finish cleaning and disinfecting and investigating on the inside of the car.
Let's fucking see what's in here, shall we? Fucking Paul Mitchell. Jesus Christ, this is a hairdresser's car.
Found some interesting documents in the glove box, one of which was a receipt from a mechanic for the valve cover gasket and a couple other maintenance things, which is a good sign. Also found some retirement paperwork and a transcript from somebody who had been to Paul Mitchell's school for hair. This leads me to the only logical conclusion, which is that the previous owner was an electrician, sure, but the owner before him was a 78-year-old senior citizen retiree who had come out of retirement and sold their 240 to go back to school to pursue their lifelong dream of being a hairdresser.
I just want to make people silky smooth.
Makes sense to me. So now that that's taken care of, the new carpet shampooer machine just came in from Amazon, and I'm excited. I'm hoping it can help me get some of the fucking deceased souls out of the carpet of this car. So yeah, we're gonna give that a try and see if we can't get the carpets a little bit cleaner than they were. It didn't work. Like, the shit's not clean. Oh, man. Shampooing the carpet was a terrible idea. I don't know what the fuck I was thinking. The carpet's not even that clean. And the fucking water and the shampoo fucking got up under and brought all the fucking stench to the surface. So now I'm smelling shit that no one has had to smell in 20 years. Like, this shit is fucking disgusting. I should not have shampooed these carpets. I don't know. I should have set the car on fire. The whole garage smells like fucking otter semen. I don't know what the fuck it smells like. So now I have to set up a fan on top of the car, blowing air out, and open the door and wear like a fucking respirator and shit, because it was my fucking bright idea to shampoo the carpet like some sort of fucking, I don't know, guy who shampoos things and shit. With that failure sufficiently behind me and that L fucking chalked up for the world to see, it's finally time to remove the door speaker and door panels and all that shit so it can be replaced.
What the fuck is this supposed to do? I imagine that is part of why this won't. That's what it looks like that's supposed to be a thing. It's like that, I guess, too. Okay, I can't see there's anything.
Hey guys, it's me from the future. You may be wondering, why am I coming to you from the future? It's pretty simple, actually. About halfway through filming this video, I caught the corona.
Advertiser-friendly content.
So, yeah, that happened. But now that I'm back, healthier than ever, where were we again? Oh, yeah. the fucking door speakers. So I pull the door panels off, expecting, I don't know what I expected. I have never seen such janky shit in my entire fucking life. Pro tip, never buy a car from an electrician. This motherfucker had gone to like fucking Lowe's fucking home fucking RV light switch department and gotten some fucking garbage disposal flipperoo from fucking somewhere and fucking wired it into the fucking door in place of the window switches with some fucking homemade relay setup. Like, I don't know what the fuck he was thinking. None of it makes sense. None of it fucking works. But you know what? I'm just gonna ignore it. I'm just gonna move on. We'll deal with this later because I don't have the fucking bandwidth to deal with this right now. My next mission is to take the speaker out of the door.
Look at that motherfucker. Holding a fucking $10 Skosh Walmart Skosh. That's the dumbest brand name ever. We're gonna fucking have this speaker company. We're gonna name them fucking Skosh. Skosh, like Nova Scotia. Fucking dumbass, I swear to God. I don't know what the fuck. He had a fucking 18-inch long wood screw going through these fucking things, using them as fucking spacers. Fucking, I don't fuck. Holy shit, man. What the fuck do you got going on back here, bro?
I'm not trying to remember. Way too late for that, but maybe the knot has the top provided. I don't even know what I was trying to do, to be honest. I just gotta push on shit. But the plastic is so fragile that it like instantly breaks.
Honestly, once I got past the clusterfuck of incorrect hardware and trailer park engineering in the doors, the rest of the sound system removal actually went pretty well. But I need a break. So I decided I'm going to set aside the sound system for now and turn my attention to the terrible timing chain tensioner tick that the car has developed since I got it. In order to fix that, I'm going to be removing the top timing chain tensioner. While I'm in there dealing with that, I'm also going to be taking care of the valve cover gasket, spark plugs, and spark plug wires.
The other just come like all the way out so you can't go. So that's nice that way. So. What's that? Goes on there.
So when it finally came time to install the new spark plug wires, I noticed that the boots of some of the old spark plug wires had actually ripped off down inside of the spark plug tube, spark tube area. My solution to getting those out was to take an old piece of wire and cut it into kind of a fishhook sort of thing, and then stick it in there and dig out the old boot. So now that that tensioner is out and I've thrown in some new spark plugs and plug wires, the car is running great, does not make all the obnoxious sounds it was making before. Now we're on to the fun part, which means I get to put in the new head unit and door speakers I got for the car. The door speakers are finally in, and for the price, I'm not mad. They definitely sound better than the shit that was in there before, since it didn't make any sound at all. And they were pretty cheap, so I'm happy with this. I think we've gotten a lot done today, so that's gonna be the end of the video. If you like the video, go ahead and subscribe so I can make more videos like this, and have a wonderful day. Peace. It's been a great,